Hi, it's really bright out here today, so I'll be wearing my sunglasses for this video. What I wanted to show you is this hydrangea here. All of this wood here is dead wood. So if you have a hydrangea at home that has a lot of green leaves on the bottom and sticks coming out of the plant, then that's all dead wood that needs to be cut off. You're not going to get any blooms from it. You're not going to get any leaves, new growth coming out of it. It's best just to cut it right down. So what I'm going to do is just come through the plant. You can actually, lots of times you can just break these. So I'm just going to go through right to the bottom. I'm just going to kind of pull them and cut them right off. And you're going to go through the whole plant and just do this. And it's a lot better for the plant also. Not only does it look better, but it creates a lot more air within the plant so the plant can breathe. And you don't want the plant to be too congested because that's going to affect its blooming ability. So you're just going to come through the whole plant and clean it right up. So make sure, you know, if it's the end of May, you're into June and you see these sticks, make sure you just cut them right off the plant. Thanks so much for joining us today. We have a lot more informational videos on our YouTube channel, Country Flower Farms. Also, we post weekly gardening tips on our website. If you have any other questions, feel free to send us an email. Thanks and enjoy your day in the garden.